So this here is my upgrade from a John Deere D170 54-inch deck to a Cub Cadet ZTX5 54-inch deck. It's a pretty good upgrade. I mean, it's cut my time in half or more on the mowing, because this thing here goes 8.5 miles per hour, and it's so easy to operate. It took me a good hour to get used to it, but right now it's super fast and it's nice. I love it. My John Deere gave up on me after about 3 years and 99 hours on the clock. The transmission went out and it wasn't covered under warranty anymore, so I ended up paying like $850 for a new transmission, and then after that I just ended up selling it because I didn't want it to go out again. And so this is a upgrade here, and hopefully this one lasts a good while. I mean, it's got warranty like 4 years and 500 hours, which I've had it for a couple months and I only got like 13 or 14 hours on it. So hopefully this is gonna be a good one. If you have this bar back here, that means it's a commercial, but I don't think this one is a commercial, but it's a step down. It does have the solid deck that you can step on and stuff like that. It won't damage it. The other mowers like the ZTX4 and lower, they don't have that nice deck. It's like flimsy. If you hit something, a stump, a rock or something, it just bends it. This thing is solid as can be. Also, this one comes with the shocks in the front, which I don't know if they actually make a difference, because this is my first time operating a zero turn, so I don't know, maybe it's more bumpy if you don't have the shocks. I feel like it's still a little bumpy anyways, but it's whatever. And of course you have the lights, which I feel like they're not necessary, but it's cool. They're LEDs, they're cool to have. But the zero turn actually speeds up the process, because I'm not having it like turn around, back up, back and forth, blah blah blah. I just do a 360 on the spot and keep going. And also the ZTX5 comes with a nicer seat, and I think they come with 2 different engines. I believe this is the better one, the Kawasaki. I think they last longer, and I mean, this mower came with like 4 years and 500-hour warranty, and I mean, I've had it for like 2-3 months and I put 13 hours on it so far. So I don't know, I think this thing will probably outlive me. I'm gonna be one of those older people that buy a mower and have holes in the seats, but it still runs flawless. But it's definitely awesome. I mean, I wanted to put like a couple hours on it before I make a video as well, just to get a feel of it, and I haven't had any issues. I have 0 complaints on it. Everything's easy to use. And you've got this panel here. It's very easy. You got the key, you got to engage the blades and stuff like that. Your hours come up right there. Oh, okay. I got 14.3 hours on it now, but yeah, you can adjust your height and stuff like that, your choke. And one cool thing is it's got actual gauge, fuel gauge, so you kind of know if you're running out of fuel, because I've had times where I'm at the bottom of the hill down here and it runs out of fuel, and then I have to walk up the hill, find out that I don't have any gas in the garage, and then I have to go to the gas station, this and that. But with this one, it's nice because I actually know if I have fuel or not. And I think like one full fill up, it lasts me like two mowing sessions, so that's pretty cool. Some of these I think come with 2 tanks, which I don't know, maybe the commercials ones they come with 2 tanks, but this one only has the 1, but it's plenty. It's more than enough. These big tires in the rear actually are amazing, because they have all kinds of traction going up and down hills. It does get sketchy going up and down hills if the grass is wet, but now that I'm used to it, it's not as bad. But yeah, definitely recommend this one. I don't know what else to say, but the fact that it's an amazing mower. And yeah, I mean, it is pricey. I think I paid like around $6,000 for it, but for what it is, it's, you know, it's gonna last forever. Of course, that's what I said about my John Deere, because I bought that brand new, and 3 years later, 99 hours on the clock, transmission went out. But these supposedly last because, you know, they're made to last. And I feel like this one fits my shoes better because I do have quite a bit to mow. And I used to actually drag mowing, like, oh man, maybe I'll mow tomorrow or the next day. But when I got this thing, it's so quick and comfortable, like that seat is super comfortable, that I'm like, man, maybe I should mow the neighbor's grass. I wonder if you would get upset. But it's just awesome. Like, I used to think I have a lot to mow, but now I'm like, it's not bad at all. So, yep. So if you got, you know, 2 to 3 acres to mow, this would be a machine. And, you know, you could probably get away with getting the smaller one, the ZTX4, and I don't know if they even, yeah, I'm sure they make a ZTX3 and all that, but they're a little bit smaller, and they, you know, they don't come with shocks. They don't come with a nice seat like that. But they, you know, they all do the same job. They just cut grass. So, yep, that's it.